All right, as you can see, there's only a few more layers to go on this print. It indicates here probably another 40 to 50 minutes, and it will be done. There's no warping, no curling, literally no Elmer's glue to stick it down to the bed because it's just not required. Since I print in this fashion, as you see it here, with the mirror and the tape, it doesn't even need to have the bed heated. As you can see there, it's a non-heated bed. I've never needed to heat the bed. I don't heat the bed to enhance or enforce uh, adhesion. It's just not required. Um, this is the print head that's doing it right here, all in one piece. This is it. This is what puts filament from over here through the plastic, right here, plastic extruder, down the Bowden tube, through the hot end, onto the bed. So this is the print that's happening right now. It's a holder for a hair dryer. The dryer goes here, the cord goes here, and it's good to go. So as you can see there, it's smooth and it's turning out great, and no issue to be concerned about. And that's it. So happy printing and hope all goes well.